Well, it's here. The Edge Flex box from Plano, and I am super excited about this because my entire life fishing, I've always had boxes that had individual slots that are already pre-made, predetermined of what you can put into where. The Edge Flex changes all that. You know, this is really the first time I've opened it, and you can see that all the dividers are in a simple box ready to go, and then there is no spaces locked in. You know, I tell you, the flexibility, no pun intended, to have this box be what I want it to be is absolutely a bonus. You know, because a lot of times you'll have maybe one box that you want to carry with you in a particular situation. I'm setting my stuff up right now for a lot of finesse style fishing here in the wintertime, and I'm going to rig this box specifically for finesse style fishing. You know, small little bucktails, small little creature baits, different jigs, and definitely some stand-up jigs, maybe even some you know, Ned rig style baits. But I'm gonna have the ability to put different sizes and where I want them to be in this new Edge Flex box. So I'll tell you, for somebody that has, you know, what you think might be everything in the tackle business, man, tackle boxes right here, the Edge Flex box is an absolute win. And I think if you have an angler on your Christmas list this year, the Edge Flex box is gonna be the ticket.